let us see this question. Find whether the following systems are causal or not. Here 4 systems are given. We want to find out whether these systems are causal systems or not. So what is given in this problem? Impulse responses are given. You can see that impulse responses are given. H of t. So what is impulse response? Impulse response is represented with h of t for continuous time system. So we have defined the definition of causal system. Causal system definition. A system, let us recollect the definition. A system is said to be causal if its impulse response satisfies h of t is equal to 0 for t less than 0. So this is the very important condition. The impulse response is 0 for t less than 0, then such a system is said to be causal system. So let us see these examples one by one now. So what is the impulse response of the first system given? So e power minus 2t into u of minus t minus 1. So you can see that whether this impulse response exists on the left side or not. Let us draw this. For example, say, so this is your, so h of t versus t. So you can see that where this unit step starts, unit step is, because of minus t, it is a time reversed. So because of minus t, minus 1 is equal to 0. This step starts at t is equal to minus 1 and towards left side. So at t is equal to minus 1, its amplitude will become, the amplitude of the signal will become e square. By the time t is equal to minus infinity, its amplitude reaches to infinity. So this is the nature of graph of h of t. So you can clearly see that h of t exists for t less than 0. H of t, so this is 0. H of t exists for t less than 0. So therefore this system is said to be non-causal system. In this way you have to identify the system is non-causal system. So let us see the second one. What is the impulse response is given? H of t is equal to t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. So let us see what is the impulse response graph. So 0, so this is h of t versus t. It is a ramp equation, as you know that we have discussed in the first unit. It is a ramp equation. So this ramp starts from t is equal to 1 with a slope of plus 1. You can clearly see that there is no impulse response on the negative side. So therefore the impulse response exists only on the positive side. So therefore since h of t is equal to 0 for t less than 0, the system is said to be causal system. The system is said to be causal system. So this is the how we have to notice whether the given system is causal system or not. So let us see the third example. What is the impulse response given? H of t is equal to e power 2t into u of t minus 1. So you can clearly easily say that what kind of signal this is. So what kind of system it is. So this is h of t versus t. So 0. So because of u of t minus 1, this graph starts from t is equal to 1. At t is equal to 1, the amplitude of this is e square. So by the time t tends to infinity, its amplitude increases exponentially like this. So therefore you can also notice that the impulse response is 0 on the left side. So that is, we can write it as, since h of t is equal to 0 for t less than 0, the system is said to be causal system. The system is said to be causal system. So let us see the last example. So what is h of t? H of t is given as t power minus 2 into u of 4 minus t. So you can clearly notice that. So if you plot the graph, or you can directly say that the impulse response exists on the left side. So this is h of t versus t. So this is 0. So where this, because of minus t, this is a time reverse unit step. This step starts at t is equal to 4. At t is equal to 4, if you substitute in this equation t power minus 8, so t is equal to minus 4. So you can see that, so minus 4 whole power minus 2, so the amplitude is very, very small. So if you substitute t is equal to 4 in this equation, 4 power minus 2, that means 1 by 16. 1 by 16 the amplitude is very less. So it will come on the negative side. If you substitute the negative values, the amplitude increases. So this is the nature of graph. You can see that h of t exists for t less than 0. So therefore h of t exists for t less than 0 also. So therefore what system this is? This is non-causal system. Very, very important model for competitive exams. Finding causal or non-causal system is very, very important objective question in competitive exams. So this is about causal or non-causal system. Thank you.